the seat put on yesterday, and now I believe we're ready for the motor. I do believe. Alright guys, I didn't realize my camera had quit recording, and I did quite a bit, as you can see. We went ahead and installed the motor, hooked the throttle up, but the throttle, I gotta figure something else out, that's not working. Went ahead and hooked the front brake up, which works just fine. And that's it. We got it wired up. Oh, I cut the chain, got it to the right size. It's a little loose, but hopefully it'll do just fine. And yeah, I guess let me set this up and we'll fire it up. I haven't cranked it at all yet. So I cleaned the carb, put fresh gas in it. It should fire right up with no problems, I hope. So let's do the first fire up and see what happens. Probably need to put something in front of this tire so it don't take off. This is the only tire that pulls, so that should stop it. Choke it. Well, it cranked. Out of a little low. Alright guys, there we go. It's running, idling. It shakes like you wouldn't believe. But it's running. Let's see what it'll do. Well, got a white smoke. Got plenty of power. Now I just gotta get somebody out here to ride it, because I don't think my big old butt's gonna do too good on it. Alright, so I got him test driving it. This is just at its little idle speed. It's not even got any kind of throttle going to it. That throttle's all jacked up, so we kind of just hand throttling it right now. See if I can get him to make one more pass. Hey! It's very unstable, but it rides good. So there it is, 3-wheel bike. Alright guys, so that's it. I would call it a pretty decent success. I need to straighten the handlebars up and figure out something with a throttle. But the next video I'll make will be a top speed run on it. I think it's going to do pretty good. I mean, that was basically idling, and it had to have been running, 6, 8 miles an hour, something like that. It was doing pretty good. So yeah, that's it. If you like it, hit a thumbs up on the video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to see more stuff like this. Appreciate you watching. Got the parts in. If you want to switch over to my other video, I'm doing a build on a golf cart right now. Out there, putting a torque converter and everything else. And I got all the parts in, so we're going to go do that. Appreciate y'all watching. See you next time.